Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the twinkling stars? Those tiny specks of light have fascinated humans for centuries, inspiring countless stories, myths, and scientific discoveries. Many of those tiny lights are actually suns, just like our own. They are massive balls of burning gas, providing light and warmth to their own solar systems. And some of them might have their own planets too. These planets could be rocky like Earth or gas giants like Jupiter, each with unique characteristics and mysteries. Our solar system is just one tiny part of the vast universe, but it's full of amazing things to discover. From the smallest asteroid to the largest planet, each object has its own story to tell. Join us on a journey through our cosmic neighborhood. We'll explore the wonders of our solar system and beyond, uncovering the secrets of the universe. We'll travel from the fiery heart of our solar system, the Sun, all the way out to the icy realm of Neptune. Along the way, we'll visit each planet and learn about their unique features. Along the way, we'll meet giant planets, rocky worlds, and even some dwarf planets that didn't quite make the cut. Each one has its own fascinating story and place in our cosmic neighborhood. So buckle up, space explorers, get ready to embark on an adventure that will take you to the far reaches of our solar system and beyond. Let's blast off on an adventure through our solar system. Together, we'll uncover the wonders of our cosmic neighborhood and maybe even find some surprises along the way. At the center of our solar system blazes the mighty Sun. The Sun is a star, a giant ball of burning gas that gives us light and heat. It's so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside. The Sun is incredibly powerful. It's like a giant nuclear reactor, constantly fusing hydrogen atoms together to create helium and release energy. This energy travels through space as light and heat, reaching all the planets in our solar system. Without the Sun, there would be no life on Earth. It gives us the energy we need to survive, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Closest to the Sun are the 4 inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets, also known as the terrestrial planets, are unique in their own ways, each offering a fascinating glimpse into the diversity of our solar system. These planets are made mostly of rock and metal, and they're relatively small compared to the gas giants. Their solid surfaces are a stark contrast to the swirling clouds and thick atmospheres of the outer planets. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and it's also the closest to the Sun. This proximity means it experiences extreme temperatures with scorching days and freezing nights. It's a hot, rocky world with a very thin atmosphere. This lack of atmosphere means there's no weather to speak of, and the surface is covered in craters from impacts that have occurred over billions of years. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and composition. However, the similarities end there, but Venus is a very different place. Its surface is shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, and the atmospheric pressure is crushing, over 90 times that of Earth. It has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Surface temperatures can soar to over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Earth is our home planet, and it's the only planet we know of that supports life. Its diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to arid deserts, are teeming with life. It has liquid water on its surface, a breathable atmosphere, and a just right temperature thanks to the greenhouse effect. This delicate balance allows for a wide variety of life forms to thrive. Mars is a cold, dusty planet with a thin atmosphere. Its surface is marked by vast plains, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons. It's often called the red planet because of its rusty red color, which comes from iron oxide, rust, in its soil. This gives Mars its distinctive hue, visible even from Earth. Scientists believe that Mars may have once been a much warmer and wetter planet, and they're searching for signs of past life there. Evidence of ancient riverbeds and minerals that form in water suggests that Mars had liquid water on its surface long ago. Today, robotic missions are exploring Mars, sending back valuable data and images. Future missions may even include human explorers who will continue the search for answers about the red planet's past and its potential to support life. Beyond the asteroid belt lie the 4 outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are often referred to as the gas giants and ice giants due to their composition and size. Unlike the rocky inner planets, the outer planets are massive and lack solid surfaces. Jupiter, the largest of them all, is a true behemoth in our solar system. It's so massive that it could fit all the other planets inside it and still have room to spare. Jupiter's immense gravity has a significant influence on the solar system, even helping to protect the inner planets from potential comet impacts. Composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, Jupiter shares a similar composition with the Sun. This gas giant's atmosphere is a swirling mix of clouds and storms, including the famous Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that has raged for centuries. Jupiter also boasts a faint ring system and an impressive collection of moons, with over 79 known moons orbiting it. Among these moons, Ganymede stands out as the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. Moving on to Saturn, this planet is instantly recognizable due to its stunning rings. These rings are made up of countless ice and rock particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive boulders. Saturn's rings are not only beautiful but also provide valuable insights into the planet's history and formation. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant, but it has a unique characteristic. It's the least dense planet in our solar system. In fact, its density is so low that if you could find a bathtub large enough, Saturn would float in it. This low density is due to its composition, which is primarily hydrogen and helium. Imagine a planet floating in a gigantic cosmic bathtub. Saturn would be that planet. This fascinating fact highlights the diversity and wonder of our solar system. Next we have Uranus, an ice giant with a truly unique feature. It's tilted on its side. This extreme tilt gives Uranus a very unusual rotation, causing it to roll around the Sun like a barrel. This tilt is believed to be the result of a massive collision with another celestial body early in its history. Scientists theorize that this collision not only knocked Uranus over but also significantly affected its internal structure and atmospheric dynamics. The planet's blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is a cold and windy world, with some of the fastest winds in the solar system reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. These fierce winds create dynamic and ever-changing weather patterns on the planet. Neptune's deep blue color is also due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. This distant planet is a fascinating world of ice and gas, with a complex and mysterious interior that continues to intrigue scientists. The outer planets, with their unique characteristics and mysteries, remind us of the vastness and diversity of our solar system. Section 5. Dwarf planets, the underdogs. In addition to the 8 major planets, our solar system also contains several dwarf planets. These are objects that are round like planets but haven't cleared their orbits of other objects. The most famous dwarf planet is Pluto, which was once considered the 9th planet in our solar system. Pluto is a cold, icy world located in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune that contains many icy objects. Other dwarf planets include Eris, Makemake, and Haumea, which are also located in the Kuiper Belt. Ceres is another dwarf planet, but it's located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Section 6. Moons, faithful companions. Many of the planets in our solar system have moons, which are natural satellites that orbit them. Earth has 1 moon, while Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos. The gas giants have many moons. Jupiter has over 79 confirmed moons, while Saturn has over 80. Some of these moons are very large, like Jupiter's moon Ganymede, which is even bigger than the planet Mercury. Moons come in all shapes and sizes. Some are rocky, some are icy, and some even have volcanoes or oceans beneath their surfaces. Section 7. Asteroids and comets, leftovers from the past. Asteroids and comets are often called the leftovers from the formation of our solar system. They're made of rock, ice, and dust, and they orbit the Sun. Asteroids are rocky objects that are mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Some asteroids are very small, while others are hundreds of miles in diameter. Comets are icy objects that release gas and dust when they get close to the Sun. This creates a bright coma, a cloud of gas and dust around the comet's nucleus, and sometimes a long tail that stretches for millions of miles. Section 8. Meteoroids, shooting stars. Have you ever seen a shooting star? What you're actually seeing is a meteor, which is a small piece of space debris that burns up in Earth's atmosphere. Meteoroids are small pieces of rock and dust that orbit the Sun. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it heats up due to friction with the air. This causes the meteoroid to glow brightly, creating a streak of light that we see as a meteor. Most meteors burn up completely in the atmosphere, but some larger ones can survive to reach the ground. These are called meteorites. Section 9. The Solar System's Grand Ballet. Our solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing place. The planets are constantly in motion, orbiting the Sun in a delicate gravitational dance. The Sun's gravity holds the solar system together, while the planet's own gravity affects their moons and other objects in their paths. This interplay of forces creates a complex and beautiful cosmic ballet. From the rocky inner planets to the gas giants and icy worlds beyond, our solar system is a place of wonder and discovery. And as we continue to explore our cosmic neighborhood, we're sure to uncover even more secrets about the universe we live in.